Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, I am going to discuss TCS Digital Aptitude question, and this exam happened on 7th of August 2021. That means today. Okay, so we will be discussing few of the question from aptitude which was asked in the examination. So let us start with the question number 1. So friends, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that this kind of update you do not miss it. So if fractions becomes 2 by 3, if 1 is added to its numerator and 2 is added to denominator, if 2 is subtracted from the numerator and 5 is added to the denominator, the fractions becomes 1 by 4. If 3 is added to the numerator and 1 is subtracted from the denominator, then the fraction becomes. Friends, it's an easy problem, do not complicate. So let us assume x is your numerator and y is your denominator, right? Okay. If 1 is added to the numerator, okay, and 2 is added to its denominator, okay. See, do not complicate it. Whatever they're saying in the question, just do it, okay. So x is my numerator and y is my denominator. If 1 is added to numerator and 2 is added to denominator, then your fractions becomes 2 by 3. So from here we can have one equation, 3x plus 3. I am doing a cross multiplication, is equals to 2y plus 4. So 3x minus 2y will be equal to 4 minus 3. That is nothing but 1. So my one equation is 3x minus 2y will be equal to 1. Agreed? Okay. Now, again, if 2 is subtracted from the numerator, so what I am doing, 2 is subtracted from the numerator and 5 is added to the denominator, my fractions become 1 by 4. Again, cross multiplication. 4x minus 8 will be equal to y plus 5. So 4x minus y will be equal to 13. Okay. And the other equation is 3x minus 2y is equals to 1. So this is my second equation and this is my first equation. If I want to solve this question, then at least x or y we need to equate. So I'll multiply by 2 here. So 8x minus 2y will become equal to 26 and 3x minus 2y is equals to 1. Now let us subtract. So minus minus plus and here minus. Cancelled. 5x is equals to 25. 26 minus 1 will be 25. So x will become equal to 5. Now x is 5. Okay, fine. And what is the value of y? So put in any one of the equation. So first equation, 4 into 5 minus y is equals to 13. The value of x I have put it here. So y will be equal to 20 minus 13. That is nothing but 7. So the value of y is 7. So we got our numerator and we got our denominator. Now, what has been told in the question? So in the question they are telling if 3 is added to the numerator. So my numerator is 5 now. If 3 is added to the numerator and 1 is subtracted from the denominator. So my denominator is 7. If we subtract 1, then the fraction becomes, so 8 by 6. That means 2 4s are and 2 3s are. So 4 by 3, option C will become the correct answer for the question number 1. So friends, it's not lengthy. The only thing is we have to minimize some of the steps, as I always say in the each videos, that without minimizing the steps, we cannot say that this question is easy. And you feel it is tough. The only reason is because we are going through each and every steps which is not required. Many of the steps we can directly do it. Okay. So this was one of the question which was asked in the TCS digital exam today. Now, question number 2 is a question from profit and loss. Okay. So question number 2 is from the topic profit and loss. A shopkeeper bought a lamp at rupees 1200 rupees. So the shopkeeper bought a lamp at 1200 rupees. So cost price, see, if you're buying an item at a certain price, that is nothing but your cost price. Okay. Then, and the ratio of its cost price to marked price. So the ratio of cost price to the marked price is nothing but equal to 3 by 5. now. So this is nothing but my marked price. So cost price is 1200 divided by marked price will be equal to 3 by 5. So marked price 3 into marked price will be equal to 1200 into 5. So my marked price will become equal to, marked price is nothing but the price mentioned on the article. So this will be nothing but 400. So it will be nothing but 2000. How much time would have taken to calculate this? Almost some second. See, directly we can do it. CP by MP is equals to CP is 1200. So this is nothing but 400 times. So this will be also nothing but 400 times. So it will be nothing but 2000. Directly we would have calculated. But as a beginner level, we need to understand and then we need to do. So that is the reason I do everything with the steps so that you will not have any confusion. Otherwise, many students will start asking, sir, how did you write directly MP is equals to 2000? I do not want that. And that is the reason we are doing like this. Agreed? Okay, fine. So my marked price, cost price is this, and the price which is marked on the article is nothing but 2000 rupees. Okay, now it was said after two successive discount of 30% and 18%. Okay, and incurred a loss or profit of X%. So what basically they're telling, see, marked price is 2000. Okay, so that means the price marked on the article. Okay, now, so there was two successive discount of 30% and 18%. In my every video, I have told, if there is any kind of discount, subtract from 100 and divide by 100. Yes or no? In my every video, I say, okay. Now, again 18%. So if there is any discount, then we need to subtract from 100 and divide by 100. So this is nothing but 2000 into 70 by 100 into 82 by 100. Okay, 20 and 20 cancelled, again with 20 cancelled. So 14 into 82, 14 into 88 will be 112 and one more 0. 14 into 2 will be 28, 8411. Okay, that means on marked price there was a discount of 30% and 18%, and then it was sold at what? 1148, right? See, when you go to shop, so there will be some price will be marked on the article. Suppose on this pen, so there will be discounts will be there. After discount, whatever you pay, that is nothing but the selling price for the shopkeeper. So it is nothing but 1148 selling price. And you can see your cost price is 1200. So definitely there is going to be a loss. So profit option is eliminated. Agreed? Okay, now, so what is the loss? So loss percentage will be equal to loss by cost price into 100. So loss 1200 minus 1148 divided by cost price 1200 into 100. Okay, see, I am telling you this can be minimized by reducing the steps. 10 minus 8 is 2 and 5. Okay, divided by, so 20 and 20 cancel, divided by 12. So if we'll divide, so 4 3s are 13 4s are and 4 3s are 13 by 3. So 13 by 3 means, so 13 if we'll divide by 3, 3 4s are 12, 1, that means 4 1 3. So 4 1 3. So 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 3. So it will be 4 1 by 3 percentage loss. Okay, so 4 1 by 3 percentage of loss. That means option C will be the correct answer for the given question number 2. Friends, I hope you are understanding. If you have any doubt, then always I am there in the comment box waiting for your comments. Okay, now question number 3 is a question from simple interest. Simple interest question will be simple. You can directly solve it. But before we move to this question, I wanted to tell you something. So friends, TCS exam is going to be conducted on 30th of August. So TCS Mega Drive 2021 scholarship test by online study for you is here. So if you are the first winner, so the first prize will be 2000 rupees cash plus TCS NQT crash course of 500 rupees. If you are second prize winner, then you will be getting 1500 rupees cash plus TCS NQT crash course 5000 rupees worth for free. If you are the third winner, then you will be getting 1000 rupees cash plus TCS NQT crash course worth 500 rupees. And the remaining 47 other students will be getting the TCS NQT crash course worth rupees 500 for free. This is guaranteed. So you can see the test pattern is also given. So 3 hours test will be there. on 14th of August. Test time is 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Okay. So what you have to do is you need to do the registration. The registration cost is only 10 rupees. Okay. So only 10 rupees is the registration cost, more than a Rajnigandha. Okay. So only 10 rupees you can register and definitely you can write the test. Now let us come to our question number 3. Okay. So Arun borrowed a certain sum. So that certain sum we will assume as X rupees. So Arun borrowed a certain sum X rupees. Okay. At the rate of 8% for the first 3 years. So friends, simple interest will be equal to PRT by 100. Okay. So they borrowed X rupees at 8% interest for the time 3 years. So this is nothing but my simple interest for 3 years. Okay. Now at the rate of 91 by 2% per annum for the next 4 years. So again the certain sum, that is X rupees, 91 by 2 percentage. So 2 9 18 plus 1, 19 by 2%. Okay. Now so my rate is nothing but 19 by 2. Year is nothing, end of 4 years, so 4 by 100, right? Okay. So here the marker was not working properly. So what I will do, I will write it once again. Okay. So X is a certain sum of amount. My rate of interest is nothing but 19 by 2 percentage. Okay. And year is what? 4 years. So here I will write 4 divided by 100. Okay. Clear? Fine. Now plus what they're telling again, and at the end of 15, at the rate of 15% for the period beyond 7 years. Okay. So this is a simple interest for 3 and this is a simple interest for 4 years, and now period beyond 7 years. If he pays the total simple interest of rupees 8,015 at the end of 10.5 years. Okay. At the end of 10.5 years. So beyond 7 years and 10.5 years, at the end of the year he is paying total 8,015. So till 7 years we already know, and at the end of the 10.5 years he is paying this much. So 10.5 minus 7, that means for 3.5 years, 2 3s are 6 and 1 7 by 2. That means for another 7 by 2 years he is depositing or he is investing at 15% per annum. So again X rupees is our principal or certain amount. If we talk about the rate is 15%. Okay. And time is nothing but 7 by 2 and divided by 100, right? Because 15% he is investing beyond 7 years, and beyond 7 years, and he is paying 8,015 rupees at the end of 10.5 years. So simple interest for again 3.5 years, right? 3.5, that is nothing but 7 by 2. So total simple interest is what? Total simple interest what he is paying is 8,015. This is what you have to solve. After that you will be able to get the answer. So 24x by 100 plus 2 2s are, so this will be 38x by 100, because 19 into 2 will be 38. And here what I will do, 2 3.5, because I'm trying to make the base same. So 15 into 3.5. If we have any kind of calculation, you can usually do it using the calculator, right? So 15 into 3.5 will be equal to what? 52.5. So here it will be 52.5x divided by 100 will be equal to 8,015. So if we try to add it, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay. And then 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2 will be 11. 1145x, and this will become 8015 into 100. So x will be equal to 8015 into 100 divided by 114.5. If you solve, you will be able to get the answer. So 8, so make it 0. Okay. So 801,500, and you need to divide it by 114.5. It will give you total 7,000 rupees. So 7,000 will be the correct answer for question number 3, right? So here, because of the marker, there was some mistake. Okay, so I have written it clearly here. So the simple interest for 3 years, the simple interest for 4 years, and the simple interest for remaining 3.5 years I have added, and then I got the sum in rupees. So the sum in rupees was nothing but 7,000. Okay. Now, question number 4 is a question from the topic time and work. Okay, time and work. So Ramesh can complete a work in 20 days. Okay. Mohan is 66.67% percentage as efficient as Ramesh. So Mohan is 66.67 percentage as efficient as Ramesh. So 66.67 percentage can be also written as 2 by 3. In percentage, you would have definitely learned this. So I can write Mohan is equals to 2 by 3 times as efficient as Ramesh. This is in terms of efficiency. So if you watch my time and work previous video, which I did day before yesterday, then I have told if you have any equation in terms of efficiency, so write here Mohan, write here Ramesh, and write here Mohan plus Ramesh. Now here it will be days, and here you write efficiency. And here, so we have a equation in terms of efficiency. So Ramesh efficiency I am assuming as 3, then Mohan will become 2. Sir, why did you assume Ramesh efficiency is 3? Bhaiya, you assume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but any value you can assume. But if you assume 3, then fraction will not be there, calculation will become easy. And Mohan plus Ramesh, their efficiency will become 5. Their efficiency will become 5. So this is basically efficiency or days, anywhere you write, no problem. Efficiency and days. Okay. So efficiency we assumed because we had a equation. Now, what they're telling, Ramesh can complete the work in 20 days. Okay. So as we know, work will be equal to days into efficiency. Okay. So Mountain Dew technique, days into efficiency will be equal to work. So I came to know that work is nothing but 60. Okay. Work is nothing but 60. Fine. No problem. So Ramesh leaves after working for some days. Okay. See what is happening. Mohan and Ramesh, they started working together, but Ramesh is leaving after some days. The remaining work is completed by Mohan in 10 days. So first calculate Mohan in 10 days, how much work he will complete. So my dear friends, as you know, if you do not know, watch my previous video of time and work. Okay. So Mohan in 10 days. So Mohan efficiency is 2. That means Mohan can do 2 work in a day. So in 10 days, Mohan would have done 20 work. And the total work was nothing but 60. So 60 minus 20 is remaining 40 work. So this remaining 40 work, who would have done? Obviously, Mohan and Ramesh, they started working together. And Mohan and Ramesh can do 5 work in a day because their efficiency is 5. Efficiency is nothing but 1 day work. So for completing 40 work, Mohan plus Ramesh will be taking 8 days. So friends, a small concept, simple concept is going to help you in your examination. So after how many days Ramesh left the work? So Mohan and Ramesh both worked for 8 days, and then Ramesh left. That means Ramesh left the work after 8 days. So friends, I have covered 4 questions here, and again I will be covering the remaining questions which was asked in TCS Digital. If you like the video, do not forget to comment and like and share with your friends. And also I will be sharing the time and work. See, whatever basic videos I am doing, I request everyone to please watch that video, then only you will be able to solve this kind of complicated problem in exam. Thank you, friends.